Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Today we're going to make a new modern twist on an old classic that's going to be inspired by Jordan Peele's new reimagined Twilight Zone. And for that we're going to need 2 toasted slices of artesian bread. And on one side of the sandwich we're going to smother it in old Jif peanut butter, you know, that classic flavor. And that's going to symbolize that nostalgic, warm taste of that old classic Twilight Zone series that just you never know where you're gonna go. It's always an adventure. And once that's all done, we're gonna jump over to the other side and we're gonna smother that side in some organic reduced sugar wild blueberry preserves. And that's gonna symbolize just the potential for so much great things in this new series. And once we get that on there, we're gonna jump over to our secret ingredient, mayonnaise. We're going to dump some mayonnaise on this sandwich, and the mayonnaise, that represents the social justice aspect of this series that just kind of ruins everything and just shits all over this delicious sandwich. And once we have that done, we're going to take our 2 slices and smash them together and blend all of those conflicting and contrasting flavors. And now that we've got this sandwich, we're not quite done yet. We're going to cut the crust off, because when we watch our shows, you know, most people don't want to think about anything. They just want to forget about the hellish realities of their lives. So we're going to take out all of this interesting and deep storylines and just get rid of all that so we can just enjoy the simple stories and be told what to think. And now that we have this, we're going to put a little bit more of our final touch on it. This big old jug of mayonnaise, we're going to add a little bit more mayonnaise on there. We're just dunking this sandwich in there. Just get a little, make sure it's nice and coated. Do a little scooper. And we're gonna dunk it in that mayonnaise, because white is wrong, white is evil, white is bad, white is the devil. We're gonna just, and there you have it. We've got our nice Jordan Peele Twilight Zone peanut butter, jelly, and mayonnaise sandwich. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, make sure you tune in next time for our Game of Thrones series finale shit sandwich. Have a good one.